Good morning, my beautiful YouTube family. You guys, I have gotten the Kokie Cosmetics April's Mystery Box. I don't think it's as good as last month, but let's see what we got, and let's try it on, and let's see if we like it, and if it's worth our money. Good morning, everybody. Let's do this. Kokie Cosmetics. So, March's Mystery Box was absolutely fantastic. I absolutely loved it very much. Let's get into April's mystery box. And as promised, I am wearing the lashes that I did receive in the last video for you guys. And that is it besides my face that I have on. And that's all. Sorry, I went ahead and used this thing called Transformix. This is supposed to be a mattifying enhancer for foundations. You're supposed to be able to put, I say supposed to, you guys, just a couple little drops, like dolloped it into your foundation, and then mix it all together, and you get this mattifying effect with your foundation. As you can see, that did not happen for me. This is the first product that I pulled out of Kokie Cosmetics Mystery Box. So here it is. It's their Transformix. It is supposed to be a foundation mixer, and it's supposed to make your foundations turn into a matte formula. And y'all, I still look pretty dewy, pretty good. I don't know a lot of people that want their entire face to be mattified with no dimension in it. I like to see the textures in my skin. Honestly, I don't like looking plastic. Just for me, I don't like that on me personally. And from what this done for me, just seemed like it was pretty gimmicky. Like, I didn't notice any difference whatsoever in my foundation at all, you guys. But this is the first thing that I did receive in the Kokie's Mystery Box. So we're going to set it aside and let's get into the box. So it's $25 and they are doing it monthly. And I really did love last month's box. Like, it was awesome. This month's box, yeah, it's bordering all right. It's bordering all right. Next thing we have here is their Duo Metallic Shadows. Now, I haven't got to play in, oh, okay. It is cream. It's not like an eyeshadow. It is creamy. So, I'm going to get a sponge out because, y'all, my nails are grown back in or out, I guess I should say. And I don't want to dip my nails into this. And I'm just going to use my little sponge and let's just see what this is about. Okay. All right. It's like an eyeshadow topper. You could actually use this for like a highlighter if you prefer. That's actually kind of pretty. Sorry, it's kind of hard to use over the eyelashes, but oh well. Okay, here she is. I am going to go ahead and use this as a highlighter today. It's just that, oh yeah, it works wonderful as a highlighter. Look at that. How pretty is that one? Oh yeah. Yeah, I like this as an highlighter. Duo Metallic Shadow is what it's called. This is in the shade Haze, H-A-Z-E. That's actually really pretty. Sorry, the lashes are already lifting. I've gotten some new Duo glue, and it doesn't have the brush applicator. It has the little plastic tip on it, so it was really hard to apply the glue onto the lashes. So I don't know, y'all. Okay, next thing we have here, look at this beautiful blush. Oh wow. Says soft gradient, however you want to pronounce it, blush. This is in the shade Swoon, S-W-O-O-N. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So you have your darker shade here and a lighter shade here. Most people just mix it together like that. Oh, that's kind of pretty. I bet you could go a lot darker if you just get the top shade. Oh, yep. Sure can. Look at that. So this could be an all year around. And for those that don't know, you can actually use your blushes as like an eyeshadow base. So we could have done that and just had a little pinky matte look and then put the shimmer over on the top of it. That would have been beautiful, actually. I should have done that. Darn it. Okay, well, Next thing we have here is their Mystics Matte Setting Spray. Long wear, all day, fresh. For all skin types. So I guess that means it's a sensitive formula if it's for all skin types. Ultrafine mist ensures maximum coverage and hold. It's lightweight, fast acting. That's what it says, you guys. So there is hyaluronic acid in here and biotin. So biotin is supposed to help you like regenerate. I believe it is your cells, and it helps grow your hair and your nails. I know that much. Oh well, let's just try it. Oh, okay. It has a very pleasant scent, but the nozzle on here has a very directed spray. Like it's very concentrated right in the center. So hold it out here if you go to use it. Don't have it up here like I did. So about a good 8-12 inches maybe even from your face, or you're going to get that very concentrated nozzle spray right out there. Ooh, I did enjoy the smell of that. That smelled really, really good. The smell is going away though, but it smelled absolutely fabulous. All right, now next thing we have here is their Lip Doudre. This is in the shade Rosewood. We'll do a little swatchy swatch, and then we'll put her on the lips. So this is supposed to be their lipstick. It has a powder in it that's supposed to make it matte. Now I put a lot on there, so that's going to take quite a bit of time to dry. Let's just go ahead and put it on lips, see what it looks like. Oh, that's a prettiful pink. That's really pretty. Now, as you guys can see, I'm using the tip here to kind of line my lips. A lot of people don't show that. But you can use the tip of any doe foot to actually line your lips with it to get that sharp, crisp look. And with any matte lipsticks, you put on one layer, let it dry down, and then apply another one to get that full pigmentation or fill in any spots that you missed when you first applied it. That's a beautiful shade. Again, it's called Rosewood. All right, I'm really excited for what they come out with next month. I don't feel that April's box was as good as March's box. But it is a mystery box. You don't know what you'll get. That is a beautiful shade. I like that. That's really pretty. Now, it did completely dry down. That obviously is not going to dry down. That was a pretty big swatch. All right, my loves, that is all for the Kokie Mystery Box. We got the wonderful smelling, amazing smelling, actually very beautiful. I love the smell. Setting spray. Beautiful blush, as you see. Beautiful lippy that's going to dry down. It's almost completely dry now in the shade Rosewood. The beautiful Duo Metallic. I'm going to call it a shimmer. It's an eyeshadow topper. I can go ahead and swatch it for you so you guys can see that there's like almost no pigment in it. It's just a beautiful shimmer. You can kind of see it there. Yeah, hopefully they have different shades to show up even better. And then this very gimmicky Transformix matte for your foundation. Yeah, no. All right, loves, that is all for the Kokie April mystery box. It's been a day, you guys. My electronics are still going insane. My husband, my amazing, wonderful husband, purchased me a new phone, you guys, and I hate it. It is a Google Pixel Pro. It's supposed to be the best on the market there is to do videos. He's actually got me in 4K quality right now for my videos, which is fantastic to do videos in and everything, but Google is constantly doing updates to it, and it's really messing it up. That is what's causing my videos to skip or making it to where the audio doesn't match my lips. So if that continues to happen, I'm so sorry. I'm constantly turning things off and making it work properly, and y'all, I'm about to throw my hands up today. The girl's about how to feel. But for this Kokie mystery box, not too bad, not too bad. Hopefully next month will be a lot better. Can't get any worse. Well, it could get worse, as we just seen from the previous video. All right, loves, I'm going to go. I'm rambling now. I'll see you in the next video. Here we go again. It won't shut off.